we are discussing the important reports with regards to climate change and environment. In this slide, this is also important report, that is climate change performance index. Climate change performance index, this is also one of the important report. This report is given by this report is given by these three important organizations. One is Climate Action Network, next one is German Watch, an important development think tank and development organization in Germany, and next one is New Climate Institute. One second. This climate change performance index, this is released by Climate Action Network, German Watch, and the New Climate Institutes. Okay. So what is the importance of this report? What is the objective of this report? This CCPI, Climate Change Performance Index, analyzes the performance of the countries, how well the countries are taking measures to curb, to adapt, and to mitigate for the climate change. It analyzes on 4 important dimensions. Okay, it analyzes 57 countries plus EU. Okay, it analyzes on 4 important indexes or 4 important dimensions, that is GHG emissions, that is one is GHG emissions. It has weightage of 40%. Next one is renewable energy. It has a weightage of 20%. Next, followed by climate policy. It has 20% weightage, and next one is energy use. How efficiently you are using the energy. This is 20%. Once again, my dear friends, Climate Change Performance Index analyzes the performance and ranks the countries based on the 4 important parameters. One is how much GHG emissions the country is releasing. Second one is the renewable energy, climate policy, third one, and the last one is the energy use. Out of these 4, these GHG emissions have the highest weightage. My dear friends, this report is important. I will highlight why this report is important. Okay, so this is the 4 important dimensions. One is GHG emissions, 40% weightage. Next one is 20% weightage for renewable energy. Next one is 20% weightage for energy use. Next one is 20% weightage for climate policy. My dear friends, let me highlight one important thing. Okay, whenever you are reading some reports, please try to remember the index or the analysis. Okay, why I am highlighting these indexes? These are very much important for you when writing the mains answer. Suppose if you want to take the performance of India with regards to climate change, then you can analyze the performance of India or the steps taken by India on these 4 lines. To what extent the steps taken by India are yielding benefits with regards to GHG emissions? What are the steps India is taking with regards to renewable energy? What are the steps India is taking with regards to the energy use, energy efficiency, and what are the steps India is taking with the climate policy? Okay, for every important report, please try to remember the indexes, the sub indexes or the basic parameters, such that these dimensions will help you to write a brilliant and comprehensive answer writing in mains. Okay. And coming to the importance of this report and the key findings. Yes, sir. So in this report, India was ranked 4th. Sorry. Please, excuse me. India was ranked 9th. Okay. In Climate Change Performance Index, India was ranked 9th. And for the first time in this Climate Change Performance Index, India is in the top 10. It is nothing but it's a matter of pride. It's a moment of celebration for our Indian government. because in climate change performance index, India stands in the top 10. India was ranked 9th. My dear friends, always remember the beautiful insight provided by our research team. If there is any movement or if there is any matter of pride, if any report highlights the efforts of government, it throws the government in a good light, then that reports become very much important. Earlier I have shown you how my team, research and development team, has emphasized with clear pinpointed focus on this World Bank Ease of Doing Business Index. Why? Because the rank of India is gradually increasing from more than 100 to coming to around 60s. That's the reason. If there is any report which highlights the positive, which celebrates the achievements of the government of India, that reports become very much important this year. In this light, this climate change performance index also becomes important. Okay, India was ranked 9th. Okay, and next important fact, US and Saudi Arabia. According to this report, US and Saudi Arabia were considered as top polluters. Top polluters, they were ranked least. Okay, it means they are not showing any concern with regards to the reduction of the GHG emissions. Okay, so who topped this report, sir? Who topped this report? No country has topped the report. The first place, second place and third place were kept vacant. Okay, the first place, the second place and the third place were kept vacant. According to this report, no country is performing their best with regards to the climate change. That's the reason it has kept vacant the first, second and third positions. The fourth rank was given to Sweden. Okay, the fifth rank was given to Denmark. Fourth rank was given to Sweden and the fifth rank was given to Denmark, and our great nation India stands in the 9th place. Okay, these are the important things you need to remember with regards to the climate change performance index. Yes, let me discuss about other important report also. This climate change performance index is given by German Watch, Climate Action Network and the New Climate Institute. Okay, so this German Watch also releases other important report that is known as Global Climate Risk Index. Global Climate Risk Index. This is also given by German Watch. My dear friends, let me make it clear. We are discussing about climate change performance index. This climate change performance index is released by German Watch, Climate Action Network and the New Climate Institute. So this German Watch again releases the other important report. That report is known as Global Climate Risk Index report. However, whereas coming to climate change performance index, India, the ranking of India was doing great, the 9th position. India finds place in the top 10 position, but here the ranking of India is worst. Okay, so this, what is this Global Climate Risk Index, sir? It analyzes the countries which are worst affected by impacts of weather related events. Which are worst affected by impacts of weather related events. Okay, weather related events like storms, floods and all these things, drought. Okay, so this report ranks first Japan, second Philippines and third Germany as worst affected. So please apply your common sense. The report states it is a global climate risk index. So the report ranks the countries which are having a highest threat or which are having a highest risk. Okay, so that's the reason Japan, Philippines and Germany were worst affected. They were ranked 1, 2 and 3 respectively. Coming to our nation, okay, fourth place is by Madagascar, near the this one African coast, in the East African coast, and our nation ranks 5th place. Why India is in 5th place, sir? Because last year, due to severe water shortage, failure of food crop failure, and worst floods. Okay, this is about the climate change performance index and the climate risk index.